looking for an outstanding, powerful, and low-noise forklift that can seamlessly replace existing diesel or LPG forklifts? Introducing the all-new S25-35XE four-wheel crossover electric forklift. This next generation of S-Series electric lift trucks is packed with all the smart, strong, and safe features you've come to expect. The S25-35XE is designed to be as reliable as our diesel-powered trucks, with robust features that are built to last. The strong attributes of the S25-35XE include powerful electric engines that achieve the same top speeds, excellent acceleration, and superior gradability to tackle ramps and inclines effortlessly. Additionally, the S25-35XE models feature similar tire dimensions, identical truck heights, same ground clearance, and comparable turning radius as their combustion-powered counterparts, making them the perfect choice for any new investment. The integrated Smart Dash on the S25-35XE keeps your operators informed with audible and visual warnings, key metrics on the interactive LCD screen, and an integrated battery discharge meter. The S25-35XE also comes with an automatic parking brake that engages when the truck stops or when the operator leaves the seat. Additional smart features include the vertical mast system, which automatically levels your forks regardless of tilt, ensuring smooth maneuvering in and out of pallets. Offering 3 types of ADV lithium-ion batteries, the S25-35XE can handle everything from shorter operating times to the heaviest applications with ease. These lithium-ion batteries are virtually maintenance-free and recharge very quickly. Furthermore, various charging solutions, including onboard charging, provide maximum flexibility to charge almost anywhere. The conveniently positioned charging port allows for recharging the truck without needing to open the hood. Security is the top priority in the design of the S25-35XE. Operator safety features include an automatic parking brake, anti-rollback function, and an optional backup camera integrated with the Smart Dash. The Clark standard nested I-beam mast is durable and reliable, offering over 125% more visibility through the mast by reallocating the hose mounting. The low profile and optimized center of gravity further enhance safety, providing additional stability when cornering or lifting heavy loads. No Clark S-Series truck would be complete without best-in-class ergonomics. The S25-35XE is equipped with the S-Series standard vinyl suspension seat, direction control options on hood-mounted levers, or mini lever controls for optimal operator comfort. An optional heated cabin can be added to keep operators comfortable in harsh weather conditions. The S25-35XE combines all the smart, strong, and safe features you've come to expect from the S-Series with superior support and performance you can rely on. For more information on the latest addition to the S-Series lineup, contact your local Clark dealer or regional manager.